Here I have Alcatel One S 2021, and today I'm going to show you how to block number on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open phone application, tap here, go to the settings, and then to the block numbers. You can block all of the unknown numbers from the unidentified callers, or you can just add number manually by tapping add number, and you can enter it here, tap block, and this number won't bother you anymore, never, in this life. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.